So let's see when you should use Flutter. Hello friends, welcome to Progo. Does Flutter has futures? This question was asked to me on LinkedIn by a guy. He sent me this message. Hello sir, I need a help regarding Flutter. I'm a MCA student from Mumbai. I want to do my career in mobile application development. I'm pretty much familiar with native Android app development using Java. I wanted to build hybrid apps also, so I played with various options like React, Ionic, but I love Flutter. I have been playing around with Flutter and its widgets for 2 months and I'm really getting into this. I have made many simple applications so far, took one bootcamp course for Flutter. So far everything is great. But recently I came across some videos on YouTube stating that Flutter has no future. They stated that there are so many issues on Flutter posted on GitHub which has no solutions yet, and they continued on explaining their points. All I just wanted the opinion of someone who has experience of Flutter development in industry. And he shared me two videos of people who were questioning Flutter, and I thought it will be worth if I share that with you guys. And the question remains same: Flutter has future, yes or no? In my opinion, Flutter will have future, not because it is backed by Google, but because it is backed by a great community. Flutter is for babies. This is the exact title of Code with Pix video. So he talked about something about Flutter and he compared this thing with React Native on the basis of an article published by Shopify. So if we look at Shopify's articles and they choose React Native over native development and Flutter development, and they gave three important reasons why they chose React Native. The first one, bring the power of JavaScript and the web to mobile. Second is adopt the React programming model across all client-side application. And third is consolidate our iOS and Android development onto a single stack. If you look at all the 3 points, you can conclude they want an application which can rely on JavaScript. The main thing is JavaScript because they have a vast web platform. I can say reactive website. That's why React Native is very good choice for them because they can reuse their codes from existing websites. They don't have to recode everything from the start. Because if they have chosen Flutter, then they have to write every widget, every screen from the start. But because they already have their responsive websites up and running, they can choose React Native and start working on it. Next 2 points are actually property of cross-platform, Reactive cross-platform, which are React Native and Flutter as well. So according to their use case, React Native is a win-win situation for them. So now I'll show you a video of Code with Mitch where he was stating Flutter for babies. So look at this. So this guy has used React Native and Flutter since 2018 and he was building apps for large companies using React Native, and he says even a few years ago React Native was still pain to work and had performance issue. But these past few years I started noticing huge improvements from React Native team. Yes, they are actually improving their React Native framework and they are doing it great. But probably Flutter came out. Maybe before making a video on Flutter, you should actually use Flutter. I've been using Flutter for almost a year and I love it. This comment is by File Stack, a great YouTube channel. He says both can exist, both should. More options for us. Flutter is pretty legit in terms of developer happiness. Very good dev environment. I build quite large applications in RN for financial services companies, and my experience was very bad with the environment. I came from native Xamarin now to Flutter. I compete with large teams and blow the shit out of water in terms of delivery, polish, delivering identical experience. Downvote for bad and misleading title. So you can see all these comments. So people are actually loving Flutter, and React Native is also a good framework. Many of the developers are not agree with coding with Midge because they think Flutter is also good and React Native can be. So let's see some points which coding with Mitch has highlighted. So one of his points was there are issues more than 5,000 plus in Flutter. So there are lots of issues. We can see 7,615 are open. Other side there are 29,972 are closed. That means Flutter team is really working with all the issues which we are throwing at them. I don't think we should compare issues. It is an open source, so it can be generic to any package or plugins that are available in market. This was the article which is published by Shopify. React Native is feature for mobile at Shopify. Again, I'll say if you have JavaScript in your mind, if you have JavaScript all over, then you should use React Native. You should not consider Flutter for it. So let's see when you should use Flutter. First, cross-platform. Cross-platform is a way of writing one code for multi-platform. Also, it takes less time to build and release applications. So if you are thinking about cross-platform, then Flutter is good to go. UI UX priority. If your priority is UI UX, you want UI updates at 60 FPS, you want great animations, you want native look, then you should definitely check out Flutter. Third point, you don't have to work with much hardware APIs. That means you don't have to call camera every time, you don't have to call Bluetooth every time. So every time if you are interacting with hardware APIs, then you should not choose Flutter. But again, if you want a great UI, then you can go for it. And now when you should not use Flutter. If you don't have any Flutter dev, but you have native devs who are really good at their thing, then you should consider doing native. When I say native, that means Android in Kotlin or Java and iOS in Swift or Objective-C. You may come across where you don't find any suitable package according to your needs. If that is the case, then you have to build your own package. But if you don't have any resources who can build that package for you, then you should not go for the Flutter. Also, if you are working with AR VR stuff, so now Flutter is too early for those things and you should not consider Flutter for that, but you should consider native for that. Third thing, performance is priority. So if your priority is performance, you should go for native because native can be good because native are best at their performance. So my opinions on Flutter versus Future are: 1. Flutter has future because not just a company, not just a Google is building it, but because great community is holding it back. You throw any question to community or who are working on the Flutter and you will surely get your answer. Second and most important thing, development. Development with Flutter is very fast because of hot reload and hot restart. It is going insane. Building UI capability with Flutter is awesome. You can build any UI with Flutter. And what people want, what company want is a great UI that their user can play with. Because users have priority of best UI and UX, that's why Flutter has a future. If you are thinking that you should consider Flutter for your full time, so yes, you can find a lot of jobs on LinkedIn and other recruiting websites. So should I consider Flutter for my next project? Yes, you can give it a try. If your requirements are falling in this, then you should try it. But if your requirements are falling in this area, then you should try native. So that's it from my side. I'm Vivek Yadav. Don't compare any framework before trying it. Thank you.